Let's learn and have fun with 19 words of the kitchen in my first word series. Number 1. Spoon. Spoon. Number 2. Fork. Fork. Number 3. Glass. Glass. Number 4. Jug. Jug. Number 5. Toaster. Toaster. Number 6. Mug. Mug. Number 7. Teapot. Teapot. Number 8. Plate. Plate. Number 9. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Number 10. Apron. Apron. Number 11. Kettle. Kettle. Number 12. Frying pan. Frying pan. Number 13. Bowl. Bowl. Number 14. Pot. Pot. Number 15. Ladle. Ladle. Number 16. Colander. Colander. Number 17. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Number 18. Blender. Blender. Number 19. Oven. Oven.
Do you enjoy? Please don't forget to push like button and subscribe us.